Welcome back to Buy Smart. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of cleaning with a showdown between two titans, the BISSELL Powerfresh Slim Steam Mop and the BISSELL SpinWave SmartSteam Scrubbing Steam Mop. On my left, we have the Powerfresh Slim, the superhero of steam cleaning. And on my right, the SpinWave SmartSteam, the mop that's smarter than some of my exes. Let's see which one comes out on top in our epic cleaning duel. First up, let's talk about price. The Powerfresh Slim is priced at $164, while the SpinWave is a steal at $159. Reviewers have noted that the SpinWave is a better deal, highlighting its effective cleaning capabilities for a lower price. However, some Powerfresh users feel that the extra features justify the slightly higher cost. So if you're looking to save a few bucks, the SpinWave is your mop. Now, let's dive into features. The Powerfresh Slim is a powerful handheld steam cleaner and mop in one, with quick heating and versatility. Reviewers praise its effectiveness on various surfaces and ease of use, although some mention it can get heavy after extended use. On the other hand, the SpinWave boasts an intelligent LED display that informs you about cleaning modes and water levels. Users appreciate its quiet operation and easy maneuverability, making it a favorite for those with back issues. When it comes to cleaning power, the Powerfresh Slim claims to eliminate 99.9% of germs and bacteria with steam. Reviewers love its germ-fighting abilities, although some have experienced issues with steam consistency over time. Meanwhile, the SpinWave features fingertip controls for steam levels, making it adaptable for different floor types. Many users have reported excellent results on tough grime, especially on older vinyl flooring. Usability is key. The Powerfresh Slim has an onboard storage kit for tools, which users find handy for various cleaning tasks. However, some have noted that it can be cumbersome to handle for long periods. The SpinWave, with its swivel head, can easily maneuver under furniture, which many reviewers appreciate. It's described as a ninja mop that can sneak into tight spaces, making cleaning effortless. Finally, let's talk maintenance. The Powerfresh Slim comes with bonus tools, but users have mentioned the need to purchase extra pads for larger areas. In contrast, the SpinWave has washable microfiber pads, which reviewers love for being environmentally friendly and cost-effective. Many SpinWave users have noted that they can simply toss the pads in the wash after use, eliminating the hassle of frequent replacements. Overall, both mops have their strengths and weaknesses according to user reviews. The Powerfresh Slim is praised for its versatility and disinfecting capabilities, while the SpinWave is lauded for its user-friendliness and effective cleaning performance. So which mop is the ultimate cleaning champion? The Powerfresh Slim with its powerful handheld capabilities and extra tools, or the SpinWave with its smart features and ninja-like maneuverability? Let us know in the comments which mop you'd choose. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more smart buying tips. Until next time, keep your floors clean and your shopping smart. Bye!